Hi, welcome to another episode of Vivid Aquariums TV. I'm Dave, and today I'm going to talk to you about mixing salt water. Many customers ask us which brands we use and prefer. Well, since starting Vivid Aquariums over 8 years ago, we've tried a lot of brands. We've used Brightwell, Tropic Marin, Red Sea's Coral Pro, Tds H2O, and currently we're using Aquavitro's salinity salt. We like to try different brands over time so we can have a good list of choices for our customers to try. All of these brands, I can say, have done very well by us. Now, the most important thing to consider when selecting the salt, you want something that's going to mix consistently batch to batch, and something that has proper calcium, alkalinity, and magnesium levels once you mix it up. Now, one note on no matter what brand you use, if you're not using the entire container at once, you want to stir the salt mixture thoroughly before you use it. Otherwise, you may have variations because some of the elements they add to the salt mixes can settle during transit. If you're using the whole container, it's not a concern. You're going to have the best salt mix out there, but if you're not using a good quality RO/DI water to mix it with, you're not going to get the desired results. That's why I recommend this TDS meter to monitor the TDS, or total dissolved solids, of the RO/DI water you're using. Now, the TDS of tap water can range anywhere from 150 to 400 parts per million, but the TDS of good RO/DI water should be close to 0 parts per million. In fact, when the TDS climbs near 10 parts per million, we switch out our RO filters. Now, I must say that starting with a good quality RO/DI water gives you a perfect blank canvas that you can use, and then when you add your salt mix, you're getting all the elements you want and none of the ones that you don't want. Now, in terms of mixing your salt water, you only have a container with your freshwater and a good submersible pump that you can use to agitate and stir and mix the water. You want to mix it for a minimum of 3 to 5 hours and until it's nice and clear before you use it in your display aquarium. Now, in conclusion, there's a lot of good brands of salt out there on the market. The main thing is to look for a salt mix that's consistent batch to batch and that has calcium, alkalinity, and magnesium levels that fall within the desired range once it's mixed. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.